This time we're talking about bananas, and if you get bananas that are too green and you want them to ripen a little bit more, go ahead, put them in a brown paper bag, leave them overnight, and boom, you will have bananas that are nice and ripe. If your bananas are turning brown too quickly, here's a couple of things. Number one, if you put bananas in with other fruit, they will brown more quickly than if you keep them separate from other fruit, especially apples and pears. Other tricks like wrapping the stem and keeping things individual, it's going to be very limited positive results on that. So you can go ahead and try and do it, but don't expect miracles. So you could put bananas in the fridge in a plastic bag to slow down the browning on the inside, but what will happen is the outside of the banana will turn brown, and that can be off-putting to some. The inside will be beautiful, but the outside will be brown. So, and then once they do get to a point where nobody in your household is going to eat them, go ahead and pop the whole banana in the freezer. I pop them in the freezer just like this, but you could certainly peel them, mash them, put them in the freezer, peel them, cube them, and put them in the freezer, whatever works best for you. No banana needs ever go to waste.